Alright guys, good morning. It is Friday. Today I'm up here at the Marina Arcade. We were up here the other day to get our toilet tank, and I said I wanted to do a walkthrough here and show you guys some of the things that are in here. So that's where I'm at this morning, and I'm going to do a walkthrough this Marina Arcade. Marina Arcade. Yeah, this place is sort of like down by Dao. That area down by Dao. Morning.
Morning.
Just looking. Pretty much a little bit of everything. Compressors, weed whackers, tools. Good morning. I'm just looking. Military supplies, shorts, all kinds of just cool things. I wouldn't say it's surplus because it's all new.
Anything, sir?
Good morning. Just looking.
Yes, sir. Anything?
Just looking.
Knife?
No, just looking right now.
Flashlight?
No, no flashlight.
Scope?
No scope. No gun.
Chicks?
Morning.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Any particular look for?
Oh, I'm just looking.
Okay.
Looking for now. I'm sure I'll buy something.
You are ex-military?
Oh, yes. Good morning. Hello. And right out here is where we bought our toilet tank.
Yes, sir.
Hello. I'm actually looking for mace. I want to get some mace for the store. But yeah, I like this area out here. This has got a lot of nice stuff. Cooking utensils, all stainless steel. Sinks, burners. Big gas grills. Little bit of everything. A lot of this stuff here is for businesses. Some of this bigger stuff, because there's no way you're going to fit them in a home. But yeah, I like this grill here. A nice grill. It's lightweight. Definitely cook some barbecues on that. Yeah, this is industrial here. big restaurants. Somebody made a comment the other day about sticking the camera in Filipinos' faces, or they don't like it. 9 times out of 10, Filipinos are going to smile, they're going to wave, they're going to jump in front of the camera, they're going to act up, they're going to say hello, they're going to say good morning, good afternoon. They have no problem. I have found the problem is with the foreigners here. A lot of them don't want to be on camera. I don't know why. Maybe they're hiding from something. Maybe they're embarrassed about what they're doing. But those are the people I have the problem with. Like I said, Filipinos are going to smile, wave, pose in front of the camera, say hello, say good morning. Morning.
Morning. Anything, sir?
Oh, I'm just looking. Morning. See what I mean? Hi.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. See what I mean? Problem's not with the Filipino people. Yes, there are a few out there that mean harm. That's in any country, any part of the world. Lawnmower. Oh, that's rare. You don't see many lawnmowers here. I would just keep strolling down here, see what's down here. Lanterns, lights. Morning.
You're looking for what?
I'm just looking. I'm just eye shopping. Window shopping, we call it. Oh. Fishing rod. Got a lot of tools here. Oh, camera. Oh, I'm sorry. I made this man get up. Thank you. Morning. A lot of empty stalls down here. One of them empty. I'll take a stroll in here. Some pretty cool stuff in here.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. There's some really neat things in here. Wood carvings. Check out these wood carvings. Pretty cool. It's a lion right here. Tiger, whatever that is. It's actually a sitting bench. That's neat. I'm gonna take a stroll in here. This kind of reminds me of like an antique joint. Old organ. Well, there's a lot of everything in here. Morning.
Morning. You're looking, sir?
I'm just looking. Window shopping.
Oh, okay.
A lot of stuff. Yeah, let's cruise this way. Hoists. Heavy duty hoists. Morning.
Morning.
Bonds. Morning.
Pag nag-accent pa siya.
Morning. Morning.
Yeah. Video.
Uh-oh.
Arrow.
Boy, you definitely could find it here. If you need any heavy-duty tools, they got it in here. Jacks. Morning. More kitchen supplies. Toilet sinks. Hello, good morning. Just looking. Good morning. Morning. Yeah, there is a ton of stuff in here. Definitely know where I'm going to go when I need something. It's like a big old maze back in there. More industrial size sinks for kitchens.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good thing.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough. I'm actually going to go in now, try to find some mace. Like I said, I want to get some mace for Louisa, so she has it at the store. And I don't know, I didn't see any, but I'm sure they have some. I just have to ask around. But anyways, this place is located on MacArthur and Dowell. If you go down to the traffic light, right here in Dowell, where the bus station is, you just keep going straight. This place, Marina Arcade, is located on the left-hand side. So, but anyways, you guys seen it, man. They got a ton of cool stuff in there, and I know if I need anything, I can find it here. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to go find some mace. All right, guys, it's coming to the end of the day. Sun's setting, and did some running around. I had to pick up Hannah Grace at school, pay the the electric bill, and but yeah, I was out for a few hours. Bruce, thanks for stopping by. Sorry to make you wait. And Look now is sitting on the cheap jumbo Genra junk chair that I cracked. I cracked the chair today. Anyways, guys, when I was up at the where was I at? Marina. I was at the Marina Arcade today, as you guys seen, and I picked up some mace here for Lut. So she has mace here. I told her spray forward, not backwards. Don't spray yourself in the face. But yeah, we picked this up. I think it was 300 pesos for this. I think they wanted 350 at first, but I got them down. And we also picked up this nice little gadget for safety. The old zapper. And also, what's nice about it comes with a flashlight. Actually has infrared, and it also has a flashlight, as you can see. But yeah, you know what? I hope we never have to use this, but if it's here, it's here, and if it could, you know, save our lives or get us out of danger, we're going to use it. But anyways, tomorrow is the grand opening. Nothing fancy going on. Just going to open up the doors and say grand opening. But we're excited, and we're going to be here probably around 6 a.m. And so yeah, if anybody wants to stop by, just stop by. We'll be here. But anyways, tomorrow is a new day, and tomorrow is a new journey, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.